Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this emblem of the Marine Corps logo and said it's not engraving good. This is what she sent me, or they sent me. And the reason it's not engraving good is because it's got gray in it, and you need it transparent so it won't engrave. So only the black will engrave. So we're going to do this real quick. This thing is less than two inches big, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 3. I'm going to, let me make my yellow box a little bit bigger. I'm going to grab the item. I'm going to grab the item and I'm going to ungroup it. And you can see that it is the color of gray 255. And there's a lot to change. So we're going to use find and replace. Find object. Begin new search. Next. We want to find fields. We want to find uniform fields. Next. I'm going to move this out of the way a little bit. Specify color. Go down and get your eyedropper tool and get on that gray. Just so happens they're all the same color. Go next. Finish. Find all. It's taking a second because there's a lot of them. Exit out and nudge that over. Take this part and left click no fill, right click and outline. Take this part and make the field black. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You could engrave it like that, and that would look pretty cool, or you could do it like this. This might be too much on a small object. Those lines might bleed. So I would suggest doing it the other way. So instead of turning these black, let's put no fill and an outline of black and then move it back over. That way these small lines, well, you know what, that doesn't look as good. I guess it's okay. They're awful thick for this little, that might bleed together, but there might be enough. So then you need to take your Smart Fill tool and set it on black and fill this in. Fill in all the void spots. It's going to take just seconds because it's going to have to go around that rope. Zoom in a little bit, take your Smart Fill tool, fill in around the word or the text. There's going to be some parts that don't fill in because the Smart Fill can't get to them. And always zoom in. Smart Fill tool, that part of the A, the O, and I think we have it. That will engrave. Now, with that said, these lines are really fine, and they're not really good. I'm going to make a second video, and this is all blurred out. That's because this emblem is only, 2 1/3 inches big. So I'm going to make a second video on how to maybe reduce these lines to a thinner line, and then I would still test it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.